So now in the timeline, let's work with milestones. And on the left side, if you were to see, there are different type of milestones. There's line milestone right here, there's diamond milestone, pin milestone, and so forth, X milestone, a lot of milestone. So let us just select the milestone that I want to work with. Let's say, for example, I'm going to work with a circle milestone. Just click and drag it. And I don't have to be precise actually, so I can actually, let's say this is the task of the first week, so I'm just going to leave it around over here. I don't need to be precise. And the reason I don't need to be precise is because you can see that I can set the milestone date, so I can choose the date that I want to work with. Let's say, for example, I want the date to start from the 1st of Sunday itself, and the milestone time is going to be 10 a.m. for example. So there's 10 a.m. You can also add in the milestone description. Next, I'm going to start up with brainstorming right here. So date format is going to be this itself. Press OK, and there you go. The milestone is moved into place. There's this little circle right here that you can see, which is the circle milestone, and this is it. So I can drag the circle milestone. Let's say I want to start working up with the script on the same week. So milestone date, let's say I don't want it on 4th, but by Thursday I need script to be completed. So milestone time, let's say is going to be 1 p.m. so press P and it's changed into p.m. and complete script. So script itself, so the format is the same. Press OK. There you go. It's been arranged into time right here. Let me just click it, drag it anywhere else. It does not matter where you drag it in. You can just choose the date. Let's say around in the middle, let's say for example 17th September by 9 a.m. I want the storyboard to be completed. Storyboard, just like that, and the date format is the same. Press OK, and everything moves according to place, as you can see. So everything is quite detailed, as you can see right here. So you got the dates, you got the circular milestone right here. You can also have synchronized milestone, square milestone. Let's say for example the square, I want to say something like check for updates. Check for updates right here. Let's set the date, that's as it is. Press OK, and there you go. You can see that on this date you can check for the dates. You can also move the milestone right here and the date changes just like that. So you can see that there's September 11, but if I were to drag it, this one, then it goes to September 12, and if I were to drag it onto the left, September 9, and so forth. As you can see, everything changes out right here. You can also move out the date, so if everything, so as you can see over here, everything is overlapping, you can move down the point right here, or click here, move up the point, and you get the details just like that. So over here you can move up the point, move the point way to the right, and so forth, so you can really arrange out the time, as you can see right here. So that is how you can work with milestones in timeline drawing inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.